You see that right there? See that right there? See that leather patch? Well, it's actually not a patch. And you see this hat? This boy got speakers on it. Look at that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a speaker hat where you can get this hat and turn any one of your designs into a leather patch in just a couple of clicks. So you can fit it on really any one of your hats, bags, or anything else. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and start with the design process. So we're gonna start off by going to my app, GangFX.com. We're gonna go ahead and upload any design we want. Let's actually go ahead and upload this bald eagle one because this actually would look really, really cool on a leather patch. So we're gonna start with this. We're gonna go ahead and run over to the effects page or the effects panel and click on the leather engraved patch. And go ahead and apply that. We're gonna go ahead and apply that effect. Should only take maybe a minute or less than that to apply it. Now, just so you know, I'm not going to be printing this same exact one right now, but the process is the exact same thing. So this is what it came up with. And to be honest with you, it looks absolutely badass. I love it. This would make such an amazing looking patch. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on download selected. By the way, if you want this patch, well, not this patch, but if you want this design, let me know down in the comments below and I'll leave a link to it so that way you can download it for yourself. All right, so this is our patch design. We're good to go. We can simply just place an order for this wherever we print our DTF transfers. But if you do want DTF transfers, I actually offer them as well under my store over here. And I actually have 30-inch wide DTF transfers. So instead of the typical 22-inch, these are going to be 30 inches wide. So you get an extra 8 inches. And you can make them up to 20 feet long. So if you click into it, you're going to have here all of your different sizing and the prices. Now, just so you know, if the prices look a little bit expensive, it's because they all already include shipping. So you don't have to worry about shipping. The price that you see here is the price that you're going to pay, period. And also I have hoodies, t-shirts, and long sleeves that are provided by Yazbek. I've been using them for like the past maybe 3 or 4 years, and I always talk about them. So I really like their quality products. So I highly recommend them. Now, blank garments though, those don't have free shipping, but they do have a flat rate of $16 ground. So just so you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this, we're going to send it to print, and then we're going to go ahead and take our hat and we're going to order it from this link over here. Now there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from, but I'm going to go ahead and choose this one over here. And this should be good enough. I'm going to link to it down in the description below. So you can go ahead and click on that if you want to order it. And then once you have both, we just get to pressing. And for this, we're actually going to be using a brand new machine that was just sent to me, the HTVRONT A300 AutoHAT press. Now, huge thank you to HTVRONT for sending this over because honestly, it is really, really cool. It's very space saving. It has a very nice and sturdy feel. And it also has 2 different platens, a large and a small one. So all we're going to do is go ahead and power it up, heats up super quick. Let's go ahead and place our hat in here. Now, one thing that I have noticed myself is that I find it so much easier well, at least for these types of hats, for these snapback type of hats, everyone puts something inside there. I've just been putting this little pressing pillow and it's worked great so far. Just check it out. So we're just gonna go ahead and press the R, have it press. It's gonna go ahead and press automatically. The pressure is all adjusted automatically as well. Then we just peel the carrier. This is, by the way, one of my DTF transfers, so you can check out the quality there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So as you saw, super straightforward, super easy. You can offer very high quality and unique products, really little to no effort in terms of designing and all that at this point. Using GangFX, you can come up with tons of different variations for all of your different designs. Just simply subscribing to this channel, you can find brand new products like the speaker hat before everyone else finds out about them. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video as well. And you can quickly press all of your hats, all of your caps with the HTVRONT A300 AutoHAT heat press. Now I am going to have a discount code to it. Make sure you click the link in the description and you're going to be able to apply the code that you see there as well. Now that code might change a few times because it's only available for a month. But once that code expires, if there's another one, I'll go ahead and update it with whatever code I can find for you. Now, if you do want to learn more about GangFX, my brand new app, just go ahead and check out this video right here.